just arrived today, finally, January, second week of January. May gulay. I bought this last year, but apparently after I bought it, went out of stock. They couldn't deliver it to me, but I recommend Hotel Chocolat for their customer service. They keep updating me via email when it's arriving or where it is or something like that, but they always email me at least every week. Hotel Chocolat is a brand, a British brand. I used to buy chocolates there in the mall in Watford. This one, the velvetizer, they have a good marketing strategy. They strategize this as a hot chocolate, fancy barista style mixer, but it's like a frother that you can just buy from Amazon. But this one I really like because of this one arrived 2 weeks ago at least, and yeah, so it's included. This one arrived earlier. Oh, still, let's unbox this. There you go, in packet form, and I'll be ordering more. There's dark chocolate, there's orange flavor hot chocolate, ginger, vanilla white, mint, chili hot chocolate. So we'll try that. What else? Salted caramel, dark hazelnut praline, the classic 70%, and milky 50%. So we'll try that. This is the everything selection. Hotel Chocolat, British brand. So, but their chocolates, in fairness, masarap. It's really good. So let's unbox this. It looks like there's 2 cups included. So that's the... Oh, it only takes 2.5 minutes. Okay. Because we love hot chocolate in this house. Velvetizer. And with the warranty manual. Yep. Yeah. Mabigat siya, in fairness. Wait lang. Let's put it in. There you go. Oops, sorry. Nakaano kasi siya. So here's the base. Oh, you can see my other Amazon purchase anyway. This one is from the website, Hotel Chocolat website. Let's push it there kasi kita ka agad. Oh, talagang may kasama siyang ceramic cups. Not bad. Cute. So there's 2, one for me, one for Sunny, my husband, and here's the base for it, and then finally this one. Hirap mag-unbox ng isang kamay lang. Yan. Oh, it's quite heavy. There you go. So you just plug that in. Oh, cute. I chose the copper, or if I don't think it's bronze, but it's more like copper color. Ang ganda. There you go. You open it like that. And this is the one that it's not too deep. Hindi siya masyadong deep. And then this is the one who actually froths it. See? It's just a fancy frother, basically. Yan. You can just put milk. Then once you froth the milk, you can just put on top of your coffee. This one, nabudol na naman ako. In short, nabudol na naman ako. Kasi nakita ko, parang ang sarap ng hot chocolate nila. So yeah, when I ordered this too, actually this one comes with this. I'm sorry, this one comes with this. Parang nakapackage siya for holiday deals. I think I ordered this, I think, on Black Friday. Am I right? Yeah, I think I ordered it Black Friday, November, because I really wanted this for Christmas. So we can have a fancy hot chocolate for Christmas. But it just arrived today, January. So, wala. But still winter, it's still cold outside. We can still use it. So this is the, if you can see it, it says Hotel Chocolat. Put it like that, turn it on. It reminds me of our electric kettle. Oh, there's the power button, so you just push that. I'll read more of the manual and the branding, Hotel Chocolat. It reminds me of the electric kettles that we used to use in UK, because that's the way it is there. There's electric kettle everywhere for tea, coffee, and yeah. And this is the cups included. Perfect for hot chocolate. Okay. We'll try this sometime, maybe hopefully today. But if not, I'll just update you. Finally, I love it. You can see me. Hello. Alright. Okay, we're finally doing this. So I'll make my husband hot chocolate using the hot chocolate velvetizer. This one. And he said he just wants the milky hot chocolate. Just a class. Oh, I think he wants the classic one. Let me check. Here's the classic one. Oh, okay. I think he likes the classic one to start with instead of the milky. Let's try that. So I already cleaned this one. So it has the whipper. It's actually quite magnetic. So it says put your milk on the max part. Oops, hold on, let me put this back. Okay. Okay. And one serving of this, one sachet. I actually ordered more, and I hope it arrives soon. Okay. Diba? Yung hot chocolate talagang I'm not sure if you can see it. Nagfo-focus pa. But anyway, let's put this in. Just cover it. And I'll also use their own cup, hot chocolate ceramic cup. And it says just put on the power. It will be done for 2.5 minutes. And it's all done. You can drink this one. So, ayan. In short, nabudol na naman ako sa ganito. Because we wanted hot chocolate talaga. I hope it's good. I might put a whipped cream on top. I think we have a whipped cream in the fridge. Babe! Do you want whipped cream? So beautiful. I like the copper look of this. Oops, hot chocolate. In fairness, when I used to buy chocolate from them when I was still in the UK, their truffles is really good, and also the bar. So I'm excited for this. I actually am excited for the dark one. Dark 85%. I wonder what this, they say they have orange and the chili. Where's the chili? Oh, there's ginger too. The chili one. I think this is almost done. Bakit ayaw mag-focus? In fairness, their marketing is really good. It's just basically a milk frother, but they market it as a hot chocolate velvetizer, specifically for hot chocolate. But you can use this even with coffee, milk, and it automatically shuts off. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it's already hot. Let's put this here. Oh my gosh, ang ano niya, oh, ang creamy. Uy. Ang smooth, in fairness. Will it fit? Okay, I still have a little bit more left there. I'm not sure if my husband likes a whipped cream on it. Oh my gosh, let me ask him first. He's not answering me. So I asked him to taste it. It's so good. So I'll pour the rest and then I'll put a whipped cream on top. Sakto lang, oh. There you go. And let's put the whipped cream. In fairness, it's really good. Classic 70%. You don't even have to put any sugar. Nothing. It's really good already. It's creamy. May a bit frothy there. Okay, kahit nabudol na ako, I really like this one. Highly recommended. For all hot chocolate lovers out there, buy na. Buy na. Hot chocolate velvetizer. Just an update. Hotel Chocolat, I mentioned earlier that they have really good customer service. Because the velvetizer was delayed, they actually gave me $50 voucher to buy anything from their website. So it arrived already today. So I chose more of this one is coffee latte from the Hotel Chocolat collection, and then hazelnut praline hot chocolate, and the classic 70% hot chocolate. And I also chose some chocolate. This one is the Eton Mass strawberry mousse and meringue, crisp meringue. Mag-focus ka. Yan. And white chocolate. This one is the mousse chocolate. And this one, my husband already opened the package, is the patisserie collection. So it looks so nice. So the carrot cake. So that's it. I just chose these three and this three. So well done. So basically I got the velvetizer on sale, and then it also got one box of their everything hot chocolate collection. And also, let me get it, this one, all the flavors that they have in one box. So I got it on sale during Black Friday sale, and then basically they gave me $50 to spend on their website. So not bad. Thank you, Hotel Chocolat, for the good customer service. Even though we have to wait a long time for our velvetizer, really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
And this is not sponsored. Okay.